Okay.
Sorry, guys.
All right, you guys. This is for Black History Month. Jasmine and will be doing a dance, and this is just a sneak preview. What do you guys think she's going to be doing? All right. We see a hat. What else?
Too easy to get.
All right. So we're trying to figure out what is Jasmine going to be performing for Black History.
They're trying to figure it out.
We're going to let y'all figure it out. Okay, she got a little mic with a little headset, with glitter hat, and little gloves.
Glasses. Can I wear the gloves?
And of course, the gloves. Have y'all guessed who it is? Can't wait for you guys to see.
Type in the this one.
You're going to put the other one on.
Yeah. I like him.
Well, we can't tell who. We can't tell them who it is. They have to guess.
Can I give them a hint?
No, all the props are the hint. All
starts with a B.
No, it don't.
It's a boy.
Okay, yeah, we'll let them know it's a boy.
Have y'all guessed who it is?
There you go. So, uh-oh. You already had your hand like that. All right. Okay. All right. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla. Welcome back. And here's my mini-me, Raylan.
I'm putting on lip gloss.
She's in the bathroom with me. She's putting on lip gloss, and I am getting ready to do my hair. We are in Super Bowl weekend, and it's today's Saturday. Okay, she's smacking her lips. She's putting on my lipstick mask. But we are in, we're in the Bad Bunny weekend. Yay! So we're in Super Bowl weekend, and we're excited to see Bad Bunny. You guys, I wanted to learn some of his songs.
Whose songs?
Bad Bunny. He's performing at the Super Bowl.
Who's the Bad Bunny?
I wanted to learn a few of his songs, and I never got a chance to. So we're going to be bumping Bad Bunny this weekend. I want to learn his songs so I can be jamming. I did listen to a few last night, and they had some good rhythm to it. So yeah, I think he's gonna do really good. Can't wait to see the performance. I definitely watch the Super Bowl for the performances. I don't watch a lot of the game part, but I definitely make sure I check the halftime. So this is the weekend for Super Bowl. But anyway, what I'm doing today, Saturday, is doing my hair. Yep. It's been straight for about 4 weeks now, so it's definitely time for a wash. And me and my husband have been discussing, like, it hasn't reverted, and we're kind of shocked. Yeah, my hair it hasn't reverted back, and normally it doesn't. Normally it'll revert back, so we're hoping it didn't get burnt. We'll see once I wash it, but I'm gonna wash my hair, and I think I'm just gonna go back to like a twist style for a few weeks. I did that on Jasmine's hair, and it turned out really good. So I was like, okay, I think I could try that, especially if it lasts a week or 2 weeks. That would be a good style to try. So I'm gonna try to do some twists on all of our heads, because I have to do Raylan's hair and Dominique's hair as well. But Raylan is with me today, so we'll tackle my hair and Raylan's hair, and then we'll tackle Dominique's hair tomorrow on Sunday. So yeah, so I'm just gonna start on my hair and show you guys some of the products that I use. Okay, VO5 shampoo I got from Dollar Tree for a trip I went on. And I love Aussie Miracle Curls. This is with coconut oil. This is a good brand. I love Aussie's conditioner. Yep, I have this Affinity Pro Vitamin leave-in. I'm just going to leave it in because, like I said, my hair turned out so good. I don't know what product made it turn out so good. And I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Leave-In Intense Conditioner. Miracle Leave-In 10. When I style my twist, I'm going to use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and a little bit of mousse. So, yeah. Fingers crossed. Let's see how this turns out.
I'm just sitting here on the sink while I watch my mommy do her hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe too. Put that in a little bit.
All right, you guys. So it looked like I got majority of my curls, maybe a little bit that may have a little heat damage, but I thought the whole head was gonna be just straight and limp. So yeah, you guys, I'm going back to the beginning of my YouTube days when I mostly did hair videos. So this is very, I guess you could say, nostalgic, because I used to always do my hair videos. All right, so I'm gonna keep this conditioner in for about 3 minutes and wash it out. All right, so far my hair is washed and conditioned, and I mean, it's curly. The curls are back, you guys. I mean, you know, maybe a little damage on the end, but I thought it was gonna be way worse. So I'm very happy right now. But yeah, I'm trying to give you guys a good view of the hair because it's back to my curly state. So now I just have to do my leave-in conditioner. I'll show you my next step, which is I'm gonna use this Aftergy Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. It's very liquidy, so I just put enough in my hand to where I don't lose it, and then just do that and put it all over. It's like a very liquid, so I just do this first before I put any heavy creams, any additional heavy creams in my hair. It's about 3. And like I said, it's a leave-in conditioner, smooths and detangles, improves body and shine, protects against heat. I'm not adding heat to my hair this time, but whatever I've been doing, what products I've been doing to make my hair just turn out good, I'm gonna keep doing it. So I'm gonna use it. So, and this is actually a beauty product. My husband took me to the beauty store and just, you know, let me pick out what I wanted for my birthday. That was on my birthday. So I grabbed some good hair products that I wanted to try. And, you know, getting some good results from it. So we'll definitely purchase it again. So yeah. So, all right. So got the leave-in in from Aftergy. Let's see what we got next. Next, I always use a little bit of this Miracle leave-in because I don't know if you guys know, this thing is pretty expensive, but I got this one from TJ Maxx for $14.99. It's a leave-in. I just sprayed. I almost sprayed it in my ear. Just spray it around and then work it in. Then I saved my heavy cream for last, which is the Shea Moisture Intense Hydration leave-in. I don't like using too much. I think it leaves like little white product after. So I don't like using a lot of it. Just a little bit. Just a little light amount to add some additional intense moisturizer. Now I can go straight into styling because, like I said, I'm doing natural twists. And the only thing left after this long row of products is what I'm going to use to style my twist, which would be the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and my Aussie Miracle Curls. right, you guys, and we are done with our twist hairstyle. This is the results. It didn't take long at all. I think it took about maybe an hour and 30 minutes because I did more twists. I decided that the top part I wanted to have more twists, and I did a little twist cornrow to the back and twist. Thanks for sticking with me as I do my hair. I know it's very nostalgic because, like I said, I used to always do hair videos, and you guys got to see me do my twists, and I get to give my hair a little break from some heat for a while. And I think this would be great for February and maybe even March. Yeah, so we'll see how it turns out. I'll let you know how long this style lasts.
Or have what does a dinosaur have when they hurt?
What does a
dinosaur?
A dinosaur. Oh, you want some more lemonade? Okay, you guys, it is Sunday. Sunday is finally here. Super Bowl Sunday. Yay!
No.
It's already on right now, but you know, we really just watched the halftime show. We just want to see the halftime show. That's it. We just want to see Bad Bunny perform. We've been waiting for this for months. So I've been waiting for months, and it's finally here. Can't wait to see. I was listening to his Tiny Desk concert last night, and it was really good. So if it's similar to that, probably, you know, more big stage, more instruments, it's gonna be good. So yeah, it's almost 6 o'clock now. So when halftime hits, we'll let you know, and let you know how we enjoy it.
More.
Right. Okay, all right. So she's wanting more lemonade. Let me get her some lemonade. All right, so I'm gonna cut up some fruit for halftime. I'm trying to find some food to put together. Wash this. All right, you guys, I don't even know what was recorded before, but I was talking about the party food that we're gonna have. We're gonna have loaded potatoes tonight, and we're gonna have fruit, some chips, and something to drink. So this is what the amazing red fruit kiwi looks like. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. It's a little bit more sweeter in the center, but it's just a color. It's good. Yeah, me and the girls, I did everybody's hair, and me, Jasmine, and Raylan were sporting the twist. Dominique wanted to just wear her natural curly hair because it grew out and it's really just blossoming. So she's really, I'll let her do that. And this is Raylan's hair. Her hair is just like mine. Twinsies.
I did this design on my hair.
Yeah, she got that, and I got one too on the corner. Yeah. So let me get through with this Super Bowl party food, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, let me check on the scores real quick. And I'm not gonna even act like I know the teams. I do know the Seahawks are playing. I know Russell Wilson was on the Seahawks team, and there's also a guy from Mississippi that's on there as well that we're supporting. And yeah, I'm supporting the Seahawks, like I said, for those reasons. And they are currently in the lead. I don't even know who they're playing. Who are they playing? We don't know. Well, I'll find out. When my husband get back, I'll find out. But yeah, we're supporting the Seahawks. We like the Seahawks in this household. And their Seahawks are 6 right now. And the New England, I guess they're the New Englanders. I don't know. They're 0. So go see. I also want to give a quick shout out to my sis and brother-in-law. They really came through and sent me some clothes they had got from Children's Place. And they are the size for Jasmine. So look at all these shirts. Aren't they pretty? And they're all long sleeves, so they're perfect for the cold right now. Even though it will be getting warmer, but it may be cold for more time. So yeah, all these shirts, and I have 3 girls, so they're all going to be able to get some use out of these pretty sweaters. It's a pretty sweater Girl genius, yeah. See, yeah. And then it's more. It just keeps going more. So she sent me all this all the way from Texas. So thank you both so much, my sister and brother-in-law. That was so awesome. So awesome. Appreciate it.
Don't wish, don't start wishing only wounds the heart. I wasn't born for the rose and gold. There's a girl I know, he loves her so. Maybe far away, or maybe real nearby. He may be pouring her coffee. She may be straining his eye.
And also, you guys, I want to give a big shout out to my nieces, my twin nieces. They both did a solo competition. I think I want to show a little bit in this vlog. They did a solo competition at school. Shout out to Kennedy and Kendall, and they did a wonderful job. So I just want to show you guys the clip right here. I'm very proud. I'm a very proud auntie. Those girls, oh, they touched my heart with the songs they selected. They did awesome. Congratulations, Kennedy and Kendall. You guys did amazing. All right, you guys. I'm giving props to everybody, so let's just keep it going. I have to give a major shout out to Jasmine. My baby is an artist. She is so talented. And here she is right here. Okay, so she don't want y'all to see her, but let me show you. How do I start it over, boo? Let's see. I just hit that?
Yeah.
And then press play? Okay, let me show y'all. Like, this is a time-lapse video of her drawing. Just talented. That is beautiful. Amazing. Look at that. Oh my God. She did all that. Is that the total? It's still going. Oh, it's still going. See, she is so detailed. And what they say, la ra ra.
That's
It's
Laura.
cutting
I'm
off
sorry.
it's cutting off the J, but
La ra raj.
Laura.
No, Laura.
Okay, you guys, this is it. It's beautiful.
It's
Good job, Jasmine.
Can you show them it now? Mama.
Oh, where'd he fall? Where'd he fall into? And that's a wrap. The Super Bowl halftime show is over. I enjoyed it. Sorry I didn't. I think I knew about 2 songs that were familiar. I didn't know all the songs, but didn't want it to end. It was definitely a great representation of the culture in Puerto Rico and the sugar canes, and the only thing more powerful than hate is love. That was a great message. So yeah, it was a good halftime show. Good job, Bad Buddy. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog here on Super Bowl Sunday. Let's hope the Seahawks win, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.